local maintenance on one of the shops in Derby Street that we do a lot of work for. So it's always a fight. Hey, there's art. So we just clean it up. The quicker we get it rolled over, the more chances of they won't do it again. There it is. So it gets hit, we'll come and we'll paint over it. We're going to keep this looking nice and fresh. It's a nice place to come get our coffee. And yeah, I've just recently finished the new colour scheme on this one, so it was all the blue. We've brought through a nice strip of black, just keeps it nice and clean. Put a nice new pink to match, you know, the colours inside, the vinyl window inserts. Just nice pastel-y, bright, fresh colours. It makes you feel happy. That's what we're doing.